Hey guys, what's up? Remember our old Asus TUF monitor, 27 inches, 4K, but only 60 Hz? Well, it's finally happened. Time for an upgrade. Today on the desk we've got TITAN ARMY P2712V, a monitor that promises to be the ultimate all-rounder for gaming, testing, and even editing work. The packaging is neat, nothing crazy, but everything's nicely organized. You get the usual cables, documentation, and the stand all tucked in securely. Not bad at all for a brand that's still carving its name next to giants like Asus or LG. And honestly, the image quality here looks just as good as in the Asus stuff we used before. In some situations, it even looks better. The 160Hz refresh rate makes 4K gaming feel super smooth, but if you're more into competitive esports like CS2, Dota 2, Fortnite, and the rest, where FPS matters more than resolutions, you can switch to Full HD and the monitor jumps up to 320Hz. That's exactly what you want for fast, responsive gameplay. HDR 400 handles the extended dynamics range, so you get bright, rich colors whether you're gaming or watching movies. The monitor also has quick scenario switching, which is great if you're like me and don't enjoy digging through endless settings. Thank you very much. With 135% sRGB coverage, it's also a solid option for anyone working with graphic or color-sensitive content. Plenty of accuracy with room to spare. And it's got optimized eye comfort features too, which is perfect for those long gaming sessions. Plus, there are gamer-focused tools like Game Crosshair, Eagle Eye Zoom, Alignment Assist, and a bunch of others that can actually give you a bit of advantage in certain games. The monitor also supports dual video input, meaning you can plug in two PCs at once and even view both signals simultaneously. The on-screen menu is clean and pretty straightforward. Color adjustment, contrast, gaming profiles, everything's easy to access. I really appreciate that TITAN ARMY didn't overcomplicate it. You get what you need very fast. Now sure, it's not a premium high-end monitor, it's lightweight and wobbly. But for this price, it's packed with features you normally just don't see. The versatility is honestly surprising, you can use it so many different scenarios. Now the headline feature, dual mode switching. This thing can run in 4K at 160Hz or Full HD at 320Hz, and it can switch between those modes on the fly. That's insanely convenient, especially for us when testing different builds. Got a beast PC with an RTX 5090? Run 4K at 160Hz and enjoy those crisp visuals. Or, if it's a mid-range setup, say an RTX 5060, 5060 Ti, or RX 9060, just drop to Full HD and crank it up to 320Hz for a buttery smooth gameplay. The screen quality is solid enough for pretty much any build, from RTX 5060 all the way up to the RTX 5080. If you don't nitpick, the TITAN ARMY P2712V is one of those rare monitors that can really do it all. It's a great for gamers, creators, and even everyday use. For the price, it's easily one of the most balanced and interesting options out there right now. If you've been looking for something that nails both speed and image quality, this might just be it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.